Hello friends, welcome to my spooky cozy cottage. Why don't you come in and sit down for a spell? Hey friends, so here is my new Halloween tree. I told you I was going to show you guys. I got this from the At Home store. And it's the 7-foot pre-lit black fir tree. It has 350 clear lights. And that's what it's going to look like. And I've been wanting a bigger Halloween tree for a few years now. So as soon as I walked in the At Home store and saw this tree, I said, okay, there's my new Halloween tree. I had to have it. It was $99 and it's absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to unbox it and show you guys what it looks like. All right, let's open this tree up and see what it looks like. Here's the instructions on the top. And here's the tree stand. There's the pieces, and let's unwrap them. So this is part A. You can see how pretty and full that's going to be. This is part B. And this is part C. Okay guys, I set up the new tree and next to the old tree so you could see the difference in size. The old tree is a pencil tree, and I've got it decorated for fall right now. And I unplugged it so I could plug up the new tree. The new tree is 7 feet, and it's got white lights on it. Now that's what I wanted to ask you guys' opinion on. I usually have orange lights on my Halloween tree. What do you think? Should I put orange lights on this tree? Or do you like the white lights? I don't know if the white lights might look too Christmassy. Let me know what you think in the comments. But I absolutely love it. It's the perfect size. It's gonna look good right there where the fall tree is. I'm probably gonna decorate for Halloween next weekend. Not this weekend, but the next weekend. And I also wanted to ask, do you guys know where is a good place to buy some really cool, unique Halloween ornaments for my tree? If you know, let me know that in the comments down below also. So yeah, that's the new tree. I think it's gorgeous. It's nice and full. And I will be able to put a lot more spooky ornaments on this one than this little one. The little one I'm going to put in the bedroom next to our bed for Halloween. So that's going to look cute too. And I turned the lights off and just wanted to show you what it looks like. How pretty. I love it so much. And I will show you what it looks like decorated once I get all the ornaments I want for it. So if you love fall, stay tuned for my fall home tour as well. That will be coming up in the next few days. Take care, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Ha ha ha!